Are these apples organic?
Yes, they are certified organic.
Are these apples organic?
Yes, they are certified organic.
What's the difference between these two brands?
One is a store brand, the other is imported.
What's the difference between these two brands?
One is a store brand, the other is imported.
Is this milk still good?
Let me check. Yes, it expires next week.
Is this milk still good?
Let me check. Yes, it expires next week.
Can I try a sample?
Sure, we're offering free samples today.
Can I try a sample?
Sure, we're offering free samples today.
Do you have smaller packages?
Yes, there's a half-size option on the bottom shelf.
Do you have smaller packages?
Yes, there's a half-size option on the bottom shelf.
Is this meat fresh?
Yes, it arrived this morning.
Is this meat fresh?
Yes, it arrived this morning.
How do I know if this avocado is ripe?
If it's slightly soft when you press, it's ready.
How do I know if this avocado is ripe?
If it's slightly soft when you press, it's ready.
Which cereal has less sugar?
This one here is low sugar and high in fiber.
Which cereal has less sugar?
This one here is low sugar and high in fiber.
Do you have paper towels in bulk?
Yes, they're at the end of aisle 5.
Do you have paper towels in bulk?
Yes, they're at the end of aisle 5.
Can I buy this item individually?
Yes, you can buy it by piece.
Can I buy this item individually?
Yes, you can buy it by piece.